让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, what's up? It's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you the phrase 来不及, which could mean not gonna make it or not enough time.
父母差
来不及哈，来不及，可能要迟到了，还是来不及，因为人家要打烊关门了，对不对？都是有这种状况哦。比如说，银行会赶3点半，邮局赶5点，差不多吧？
差不多。
好，我们来听这样的对话好了。Let's say someone wants to go to the post office, it's about to close at 5, and they're not gonna make it.
一下叫到點未？
我5點用白黑麼？
我去郵局，對付唔出嚟。
我去郵局就是郵局啦哈 That's the post office. Yeah, that's exactly what we're teaching you here. This conversation is very straightforward, so let's break it down one by one. If you can't make it to a destination, this is what you're probably going to say, all right? 现在几点了 What time is it?
呀哈幾多點嘞？
呀哈幾多點嘞 OK, 現在是呀哈幾多點
幾點
What o'clock, basically, right? What time is it, all right? 快5點怎麼了 It's almost 5 Why?
我5點
我5點
用白黑麼？
用白黑麼快 boy
我5點
5點 That's 5 o'clock
用白黑麼？
用白黑麼 That means what? What's up? Why? Why are you asking? Right? 怎麼了？然後答案是因為我要去郵局嘛我要去郵局快來不及了 I need to go to the post office I'm not gonna make it
我去郵局我付唔出嚟我去郵局我付唔出嚟
又是 voy 嘛 voy 就是快嘛來不及就是付唔出嚟 Okay? That means not gonna make it That is the term that we're teaching you all month long All right, let's review some of the phrases right here including 幾點 What time?
幾多點
And 怎麼了 Why? What's up?
用白黑麼
And then the post office 郵局All right, let's listen to the conversation again.
一下叫到點未？
我5點用白黑麼？
我去郵局對付唔出嚟。
And 真的有時候趕這種不管是3點半啦或者是郵局5點有些是6點 Anyways 反正你這越遠到
人還是很多鐵門都被關了
對 Sometimes when you try to get there at the last minute You're going to find a long line there And it's really a waste of time All right Next time go early And this month we're teaching you 來不及 Not enough time
付唔出
And there you have it Another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT
什麼大家
俺只是張來了
客家風情由客家委員會監製
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.